first fish. Look at that little baby. All right. All right, you stop reeling, honey. You can stop reeling. All right. Josie caught the first fish.
That was my job.
When I say pull line, just grab this line and pull me some line.
Okay.
All right, good job.
Right.
You're gonna be lucky one today, ain't you?
I'm gonna be lucky.
Y'all keep? Are y'all keeping fish?
Yes.
I didn't know she was gonna catch one right away, guys. I didn't know she was the good luck charm over here.
Okay.
Way to go. Do you see that bobber go under just a little bit? You see that bobber go under, even if it goes under that far. Pick that rod tip up and just start reeling it. Yeah. Swing it in the boat. You don't want to lose them.
I know, right? I was trying to do that in the line.
You pull a line. All you do is pull it.
Yeah, no.
Huh?
I was relearning.
I know. It's been a year. It's been a year, Brian. All right, guys. All right, let me get these going. All right, take your time. Let me get the net. Don't reel them all the way out to the tip. Big one. No, wait. Ho. You're on the tree. You're on the tree. Let it down. Here. Let me show you how you get it out.
I'll let it down.
Right. You let it fall and then pop it. And then you start over. You want the weight, the length of the rod. And now your hands are free. If you remember that, sometimes it's pretty aggressive tremble. It's pretty aggressive. You'll see the tip go. It'll do like that and start to bend down a little.
Oh.
To hit it, you got to hit it. You got to. All right. Keep them. All right.
Came up.
God dog. You rascal boy.
As soon as I put it down, that's a big one.
That's why I don't like using the net. Stuff like this happens, guys. You can just swing them in. Where's that? The morning ain't starting off too good, guys. All right, go ahead. That's a good fish. And now you go get your minnow.
Oh, no.
Oh, you don't want to do that? Okay. I'll do it. I'll do it. No, you guys just tell me. Kevin, you do it. That's what my job is. But some people want to do it themselves. All you do is pop it. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's not. You got another one?
Hot tamales.
Oh, man. Brian's hot today. I thought it was going to be Josie. Josie says, y'all just wait. It ain't over yet.
Angler.
She's going to be Angler Woman of the Year.
Good deal. Yeah.
Just, hey. There it is. Pop it, pop it. Now just reel it. Keep that rod up high.
Which way am I?
You reel it, reel a little more, a little more. All right, reel it some more.
Am I pulling it the right way?
Yeah. All right, I think you wrapped around the tip.
On this side?
Oh, no, you're not.
That's a good one.
That's a good one, too.
Yeah. I don't know if I was reeling it the right way.
To forward.
Nephew out here.
You're only going to reel one way.
Oh, okay. Then I will this way.
All right, now you want to pull, not pull, just keep the line taut. Just keep the line taut. All right, Josie. Ooh, that rascal. Just lay the rod down for right now. That's a nice fish, honey. That's a nice fish. Tell these boys how to do it. What you doing over here? How'd you catch that fish? Tell these boys what they're doing wrong. Fishing on credit. Your credit good?
No good.
No good? You better put a minnow on there then. Hit it, hit it. You didn't see that tip dance? Keep the line taut.
That's a nice out.
Mm-hmm. Good fish.
I'll catch the big boys. It's on your record that you ain't making your own. Don't matter. What do you do?
They don't rod.
My story
Yeah.
gonna be massive when they come out here. Don't nobody.
I'm gonna tell you, guys, the most important part of this fishing is watching the rod tip. Can you see that thing dance and do a little something funny? Just give it a pop. And you ain't gonna catch every one, guys. It's fishing. There it is. You gotta pop it. Not. Did you see it?
Uh-uh.
Did you see it? Did you see it?
I didn't. I thought you were talking about mine.
I know, well.
It's like musical chairs. Get it.
I know it is, guys. And a lot of times the bite, when it's more aggressive of a bite, I mean, the rod tip would bend down, but I'm telling you, these subtle bites, the fish have been very finicky biting these last few days. Don't mean you can't catch them, they're just a little tougher to catch, that's all.
Yeah.
That's a good fish. All right, don't reel, don't reel. You twist up the line. Nice fish.
Yeah. Oh, that's
You want to let this guy come over here and use your rod?
Hey, we want to switch sides.
God, that's a tank. That's a nice one, Josie. Look at that. That rascal wasn't going nowhere. There you go. That's a good fish. Yeah, little guy. You're going to lose him, you leave him over that water. Swing him in there towards you. There you go. Once you swing him at you, you catch the line.
I gotta be stuck in the water.
You ain't coming back up here?
Try my luck back here. I get an amateur
Give the amateur some space.
some time. They'll let them build it. I'm probably hooked on something.
Yeah, that's you hooked on the tree.
Got a monster?
Where's the handle? Oh. Kenny finally caught him a fish. Keep the rod up. Keep the line taut.
Got a big one too.
That's a good one. I was praying for you, Kenny. Good fish. Reeling it up too far, honey. Oh, he got away. Ooh.
Always something new to try. Swap sides and proteins to customize your meals. Eat what you love with HelloFresh. Go to HelloFresh.com/Pandora16 for free meals across 7 boxes.
No, I'm just going to turn one. Shit, that's just a bluegill. Is that better for you?
What is that?
That's a bluegill. You don't want to keep him, do you? I mean, you can if you want. He's just awful small. It's up to you guys.
That's a crappie too?
No, no, no. That's a bluegill.
Bluegill.
Yeah, he's not big enough.
How big do they get normally?
Well, I don't ever catch big ones. I'm sure there are some in this lake. I catch them every now and then, but I don't ever catch anything that I would even consider eating size. Don't ask me why. This lake, there should be some bigger ones in here. I'm not a brim fisherman or a bluegill fisherman, so I don't know. Normally you fish the banks for them. You must have a discount card down there. Buy one, get one free. Oh, there you go. All right.
Josie got the hot side over
Yeah.
there.
Good job, Josie.
You know, I ain't holding your mouth right.
Yeah. You tell them, honey. They ain't holding their mouths right.
Mouth right. Get mine together over here.
What you doing back there, Brian?
Absolutely nothing.
So you want to give these boys any pointers
No.
about what they're doing wrong?
I don't know what they- I don't
You
know
think
what
it's just that
doing
they ain't
wrong.
holding their
They
mouths
not
right?
holding their mouth right.
Okay.
I'm rolling.
What you doing over here? Catching fish while I'm trying to put the top
I
up?
know, right? What's going on back there, buddy? You working or you playing?
Keep it up. There you go. He's got another one. Reel it. You got to reel it a little higher.
Oh, yeah.
You got to reel it more.
Lost
No, you didn't. Reel it. Hello, bluegill. Woo! Hail Mary.
What is that, Lord?
So bluegill. You can reel some up. You can reel some up.
He go back, don't
That's up to y'all.
he? No, we throw it.
I told you, I was telling these guys earlier, Reggie, we catch these every now and then, crappie fishing, but I ain't never caught one big enough to do nothing with. As far as eat. Show them how it's done. Josie, show these boys how it's done. You want to tell them? You want to tell them what? Pull some line. No, pull the line. No, pull it out from the reel. Don't let the rod down. No, don't pull the rod up. Don't. Put it back over there. Whew. All right, Josie, showing these boys how it's done. Ho. What is that? Oh, that's a catfish.
He got a monster.
You don't need to reel anymore.
Yeah. He got a monster.
I thought you were on the tree there for a second.
He talking about nah, like he ain't, like he got 30 fish in it. Nah.
Just hold the rod right there.
I'm Joseph, let me show you how to do it, okay?
Yeah.
Let me show you how to do it. Ain't no extra by my name. I'm beating my own. Hey man, why you taking that part? Again. Catching the fish. I just made my own. What you talking about? We talking about catching the fish. That's all we worry about.
Sit down there. I got to put a hook on it. Just pick it up and swing it. All right, way to go. Gut hooked him. Pull some line.
Yeah. It's about time. Yeah.
Okay. Big one too. They gonna know about that. All right. Coming on in.
Put a fresh minnow on there.
Yeah. Damn, you got it.
Don't reel it no more, honey.
Got another one over there. Yeah, that's what I think.
What kind of advice you want to give these young men?
I don't know. Don't like they doing what they do.
Your mouth so I can do what it is.
Don't like they doing too good.
Well, I'm glad you catching them. They was going to have to eat McDonald's now if it wasn't for you. That rod.
I thought I did.
You had one. I saw it.
Yeah.
You can swing him. He's not big. You can get some big ones on these trees, these deep water trees, guys. Pull some line.
Pull it.
Just pull the line, yeah. That rascal swallowed it. Just follow me over to the cooler. Oh, shit.
Took the bait.
It's fishing. That rascal
I feel
hit.
he took that, yeah.
He shoplifted you.
Mhm.
Pull some line. You want the weight the length of the rod. The weight at the length of the rod. And then when you put it in the rod, he's over here. You say, "Look, guys, this is how you do it." He's showing y'all how to catch fish.
Yeah,
He's in his talons. He's got them in his.
I just don't know how did he see him just to go down there and just.
He took off with it. That should have been your fish.
Huh?
All right, Reggie, take us back to the dock. Josie, it was very fun fishing with you, sweetheart.
Well, you did well.
Always
Terrence,
a pleasure.
Brian, Kenny. Woo. See how many fish these guys caught? Well, Josie was the one that caught most of them. They some,
Everybody.
about 17 in there, maybe 18. We'll count them when we get back to the dock. It was a tough day out here, tough day. There goes Reggie. He's the captain. You can give a little bit of speed. Just kind of aim that way to the back of that. Aim to the back of that boat. Just keep aiming for the back of that boat. Just keep aiming for it until we're gonna go straight. You can go faster. Yeah, we're going that way. Unless that's how fast you want to go.
Yeah, let me work.
So you're gonna do all the frying, huh? Brian's gonna do the cleaning. You gonna fry them?
Yeah, nah. That's it for him. We do all the shit talking.
All right, guys, we struggled out here today, and beautiful morning though, beautiful morning. We'll not be fishing tomorrow. Going to family function, and I'll be back out here again Monday. Still waiting on parts to get my Garmin mounted on the boat. I might put it back on there temporary. I don't know. We'll see. Until next time.